So Keiko trying Jamaican food for the first time. So we're gonna see how she likes the Jamaican food. She's gonna try jerk chicken festival and virgin fruit punch. Let's see how it is, yo.
The tray is called okonomiyaki, right? No. Takoyaki. Takoyaki plate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, today is for jerk chicken. Come in, get in the jerk, get in the breadfruit.
So more jerk pork. We can get like a mixture, jerk chicken, jerk pork festival.
Just give me 3 bills.
No, jerk chicken, jerk pork festival
Anything you want, just give me 3 bills.
and that.
And the
And the something.
and the
And the
and the
and the breadfruit, yes. How much for that?
300 bills for my breadfruit, you want.
Just tell me how much for everything.
Bake your Jamaican Russian, so give me 3 bills.
Alright. So guys, this is the first time I'm seeing bones in jerk chicken in Japan, guys. Very, very rare. So they're doing it the real style. They have the foil. The real deal. Dutchy. Jamaican Dutch pot, the real deal, guys. The real deal. The real deal, guys. The real deal. It's like the Jamaican. Yeah, look at it. Yeah. So that's the Jamaican Festival.
Simple sata andagi.
Right.
Oh, one extra.
Ketchup is over there.
初めて食べる。美味しいかなこれ。どれ写真撮ろう。入れちゃおう。何そういうことするん。何そういうことするん。背中のジャマイカしか映ってないんですけど。お尻が入ってるやん。あまちゃん。
Alright, guys. So here we got some festival and breadfruit.
行くぜ。
And Keiko is gonna try Jamaican food for the first time.
いただきます。
No rest.
Is it chicken?
Yeah. Did you get pork?
I don't know. I think it's
Chicken tomoyo.
is it? I can tell the difference, you know.
This one is pork, yo. Come
Breast?
Are they? Where come on? Are they pork? Pork are nice today.
It's like pork, yes.
Pork are much nice. Come on.
ポークっぽくない？
これポークでしょ？
ね、ポークだよね。
どうぞ。フライドチキンだよ。
Is this chicken? Which one?
こっち。
This side?
Yeah.
That's so big.
Oh, you wake up in the sleep.
Robbie in the building. Oh.
Save your purse.
Are your purses?
My purse. My purse.
Yeah.
Purse and I want it.
Purseでいいんだよ。It's big.
Yeah, no.
どうしよう。でかい。もらっちゃおうか。すいません。こっちがチキンですよね。
Robbie with the jerk pork and the breadfruit, guys. Some breadfruit, natural fruit from Jamaica.
値段違うのかな？
違うかもしれない。The price is different. The price is different.
No. Maybe it's spicy, yo. Maybe it's so spicy, yo. That much? No, you don't know.
Breadfruit. We can buy everything at Japan.
The breadfruit. I think they carry the ear seal one.
サタンダギのなんかさっぱりしたバージョン。味しないバージョン。甘くない。
Those.
What is that?
So yeah, guys, the breadfruit, natural fruit from Jamaica, guys.
Nice with pineapple.
Yeah, from here. Festival. We want a festival.
Like a fruit, but like a yes,
Yeah, it's kind of like Aki.
What?
Like aki, you know aki?
Aki?
Yeah.
You don't know anything, you know.
Aki?
You don't know anything, you know.
Okay.
Aki?
Yeah, aki.
No,
yeah, aki.
not the season.
Aki? What is that?
No, A-C-K-E-E. From Jamaica. Aki. Yes, a fruit from Jamaica. National fruit. From Jamaica.
So how was the jerk chicken, Keiko?
I prefer jack pork, actually.
You prefer the pork. All right. That's fair. That's fair enough. That's fair enough.
So usually they don't serve with bones.
In Japan,
In Japan.
but in Jamaica,
You
always with the bone.
Oh.
Yeah, with the bone, yeah. Bone usually yeah.
So this is the original version.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
As original as you can get in Japan.
Yeah.
Mama.
美味しいそれ。一人で戦ってる侍が。侍？伝統っていうの？街頭。何これ？パパイヤみたいな。パパイヤ。
No.
Wait for the short from it, but yeah, we don't.
Breadfruit.
Yeah, breadfruit.
味ないよ。
It has a taste.
大丈夫？
これ美味しいよ。
Yeah, the festival is good. I like the festival too.
食べない？
This one.
Yeah, so that's the breadfruit.
Breadfruit.
Yeah, so it's actually a fruit.
Sure, aki.
Aki.
Aki. You
Yeah.
call it aki?
No, this is breadfruit, but aki is another one. Yeah, so that one you have to be careful with. Aki. So you only pick it when it looks like that. It has to open by its naturally.
Yeah, they have aki here too. So if you want to try that,
食べたい。秋美味しいでも。
yeah, there's no way to explain how aki tastes. Aki is just aki.
秋じゃが。
Yeah. Yeah, it's special. Yeah. It's good.
Don't run, Maya. Don't run. But I think my favorite today is the festival.
Yeah. No, the festival is good.